Boom, welcome back to another week of the Top 10 Trending Dancehall Songs. Viewers and subscribers don't know, say it's a boy Fayskull. Please ensure you click the subscription button, right below the video, like, share, and follow and comment. Alright, so we are going through the top 10 trending dancehall songs on Apple Music as usual. So we are start from a number 10 spot, you know what I mean? Alright, so we're over on Apple Music right now. You see me, I say, and as I can see at the number 10 spot, we currently have Van Cleef Part 2, which is Malidan. You see me, I say? So let's take a quick preview. Alright, so that is Van Cleef Part 2. You see me, I say? Malidan. This is a song they on the chart for quite a while now, right now. I think about 3 weeks now with a trend on Apple Music. And we are moving along to the number 9th spot. And we have Bread by Kali FR. I think this was at the same spot last week. You know what I mean? Let's take a quick preview.
Nothing if I crumbs, every mickle and muckle. My dog also frying young, every piece I pose in fine. Try do it toughest.
Bad song. Isn't it? Alright, so moving along to the number 8 spot, we have Skipper with Who. You know what I mean? Let's go.
Them boy are fussy coming. And you hear this Skipper people will not wait.
Yeah, man. So that is Skipper with Who. Everybody's supposed to know that song there. See me, I say. Alright, so moving on to the number 7 spot, we have Glocks and Chip with Skipper again. Let's take a quick preview.
My dog a full night hygiene. Them boy are pram. Man, and if you change your song book, that boy.
Alright, so that was Glocks and Chips by Skipper at the number 7 spot. Moving along now to the number 6 spot, we have Detox again with Skipper. Let's take a quick preview. Bad song. Alright, so that was Skipper again with Detox. You know what I mean? Moving along to the number 5th spot, we have Malidan with Van Cleef Part 2 again. I don't know how come that I trend 2 times, but it is. So let's take a quick preview.
She brace up on me, bumbo climatic. She want a brick, me or your control, I like.
Alright, so that was Van Cleef Part 2 again by Malidan. And as you can basically see, Malidan and Skipper basically are trend in Jamaica right now on Apple Music. You see me, I say? So moving along now to number 4, we have Massacre Pointless. Oh, Massacre Pointless. Let's take a quick preview.
Chasing riches, so much time will last. Lift the mountain I will cross. Soldiers will die beside it.
Yeah, man. So that was Massacre Pointless. As I can hear, family, this song is a very powerful song. You know what I mean? Everybody can listen to the song. Yeah. It have a whole heap of feelings in it. You see me, I say? It sounds like him putting a lot of work in the lyrics of this song. You see me, I say? And this is from Massacre's album Forever Rain, which is currently making waves all over the internet right now, sparking up fights and lyrical war with Skilly Bang Intense. You know what I mean? So yo, big up Massacre, big up all the artists them. You see me, I say? Love music. Alright, so moving along to the number 3rd spot, we have Malidan again with Van Cleef. Let's take a quick preview. Yeah, man. So big up Malidan with Van Cleef. Don't know, so that hit song again. And moving along to the number 2nd spot, we have One Psalms with Massacre and Damian Jr. Gang Marley from the same album Forever Rain. Let's take a quick preview. Let's go. Alright, so that was Massacre featuring Damian Jr. Gang Marley with One Psalm. As I said, that song I currently have over a million views on YouTube right now, the last time I checked. You see me, I say, and this is also from the album Forever Rain. You know what I mean? And moving along to the number 1 spot, we have Honor Roll with Massacre featuring Craft God. You see me I say? The song I mash up the whole place. Let's take a quick preview.
I'm blacker than a pan of coal. Alright, she skin it out and that.
And by the way, this is the song that is actually sparking the lyrical war between the three artists, Massacre, Intense, and Skillibeng. You see me I say? Let's finish, take a quick preview.
A goal, couple the west that a fold. She know what business I'm about. A soul me fly me Guinness, take a sip me like me split from.
Yeah man, bad song. Alright, so those are the top 10 trending dancehall songs that are trending on Apple Music Kingston, which is the top 25 Kingston Apple Music charts. You know what I mean? So yeah, big up all the artists. Basically, as we said previously, Massacre, Malidan, and Skipper basically a trend. You know what I mean? Skipper currently have at least 3 songs on here, so or yeah man, 3 songs. And I think Skipper have about, let me see, that 1, 2, 3 songs too. And Massacre have 3 songs too. So Massacre, Skipper, Malidan actually trend with the most song in a Kingston, Jamaica right now. Alright, so yeah, big up all the artists and big up Apple Music. Alright, so moving along over to YouTube. So this is the YouTube charts, as I can see right here. So YouTube charts, and we'll update that to the last 7 days, which is from August 14 to the 20th of August 2026. You see me I say? And these are the top songs that are trending on YouTube in Jamaica. Alright, so starting at the number 1 spot, or shall I start from number 10 spot, which is out here. We have Skipper with Glocks and Chips with 208k views on YouTube right now. That a trend on Apple Music also. I recall the number. And we finally have Massacre Pointless a trend at number 9 spot. You know, I mean, the creeping is me. I say as me saying in last week's video. The YouTube take a while to update the song them, you see me I say? So we have Massacre Pointless with 212k views right now on YouTube. And at the number 8 spot we have Detox with Skipper, 227k views on YouTube right now. And then we have Man For Be Man by Chenille Muir and Not Nice with 238k views on YouTube. Moving along to the number 6 spot, we have Bread with Kali FR with 260k views on YouTube. You see me I say? Moving along to the number 5 spot, we have Van Cleef with Malidan and Automatic with 320k views on YouTube currently right now. You see me I say? Van Cleef a trend whole per months now, people. Hit song that there. Yeah, then we have Van Cleef Part 2. You see me I say? With Malidan and Dan Sky with 321k views on YouTube currently as we speak. And moving along to the number 3 spot, guys, we have Massacre and BME and Marley previous song Psalms a Day with 324k views on YouTube right now. And then we have Hannah Rowe with Massacre. You don't know, so the song that with Massacre and Craft, this song with them when Job Fee. Skillibeng, you know what I mean, which has 422k views on YouTube right now, people. And at the number 1 spot, we have We Outside Today with Miami Big Jude. Yeah, Miami Big Jude with 652k views on YouTube right now. We never heard that song before. We can probably take a quick preview. We know the internet speed that go on. We'll take a quick preview of the song because at first we are hear it, you know what I mean?
Yo, get the keys to the car, man. Listen, you got some girls coming over. Y'all clean up, man. Yo, we are.
Guys, if you know all the artists, yeah, you know, just leave it in the comments, see me, because at first me I hear about the artist, yeah. Miami Big Jude.
Yeah, we on the beach today, man. We outside today. Everybody outside. Clutching on my butt.
Hey man, big up your artists, them, see me I say. So those are the top 10 trending dancehall songs that are currently trending on YouTube for this week, as me I say, from August 14 to 20th of August 2026. You know what I mean? What I want you guys to do is to leave your favorite song, the song title, or the favorite artist in the comment section. You see me, I say, you really want the channel to grow, or you want to start a dialogue in the comment section. You see me, I say, so like, share, subscribe if you have not subscribed, people. You know what I mean? And until next time, Fayskull out. Let's go. Boom.